Whoa, that's a different feeling in your ear there. Wow. Tearing off my hair a little bit there. Pressure. I guess you built it to play the lows real well. Yes, sir. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.
Shit, I already get this. No, you gonna get you right now. Got 22 shits in the car. You heard me?
So I do a lot of YouTube, you know. What's your name and what's in here, man?
Sean Singleton.
Okay.
4 HCCA 15s on 2 HCCA 5Ks. 140 amp hour lithium C-Max.
Okay.
370.
Nice. And this isn't a Magnum?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you know your tunings on the enclosure?
Rear's 19, the front I tuned to peak.
Okay. Where's your peak at?
It peaks at 29.
Oh,
There's
nice.
160 on the dash at 29.
There you go. Oh, that's low. All right. Very nice. On the power, too, that's pretty good.
Yeah.
Nice job.
Efficient.
Yeah.
It'll play down about 14 comfortably.
Jeez. Nice job, man. Yeah, that's, what is that, like probably a 60, 59,
No,
right?
it's a 60.2 on the dash, a 61.6 in the kit,
Oh, yeah.
and like a 59 at your chest.
That's what a really efficient build does. You could show what you could do with a good amount of...
Yeah, just 2 5Ks.
Yeah,
All
man.
the best power for the subs, basically.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Awesome. Good job. Do you ever do any subsonic on that? That's pretty low.
Yeah.
Wow, that's crazy low. Whew. You done or you got one more?
I can use it.
Okay, one more. Sure, man. Man, that was awesome. Tearing off my hair a little bit there. Pressure. Yeah. A little lower? Oh, yeah. Okay. It actually got windier. Wow, nice job.
Oh, yeah.
Man, that's good when you can get that low. I guess you built it to play the lows real well. Yes, sir. Very nice. Thank you, man, for the demo. That was awesome, Sean. Have a good day. Oh, one more. Okay. All right, let's do one more.
You don't get the feel of here very often.
Okay. What's your your higher frequency peak you're about to do? 29? Okay. All right, 29. Feeling in your ear there. Wow. Go. Once upon a time, stern, justice good. And people are behaving like they ought to be good. They're living in a white bus. That was crazy. I appreciate it, man. Wow. Nice job. Congrats on the build. That's what a really efficient build does. You can show what you can do with a good amount of...
just 2 5Ks.
You know,
yeah, man. Power for the subs, basically.
Yeah. Awesome.
it'll play down to about 14 comfortably.
Jeez, nice job, man. I appreciate the demo. Sean, right?
Yes.
Thank you, Sean. Nice to meet you, man.